Hello friends, hello everyone. Once again, welcome to back our channel, Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty. Keep you happy, keep you homes. Crochet shirts and blouses are making a strong comeback in 2025, blending retro charm with modern fare. Whether you are looking to purchase a ready-made pieces or embark on deep projects, there are wealth of stylish options to explore. Crochet tops, often paired with denim designers like Stella, McCartney, and Zimmerman, features crochet trimming thanks and long sleeves top that exude a festive yet sophisticated summer look. Delicate crochet blouses with lace motifs are trending, offering a feminine touch to inspiring wardrobe. Pattern like the patterns like the greely blouses and elegant crochet blouses provide airy silk houses perfect for warmer days. Crochet shirts are aspiring reassurings, often featuring button-down designs with vintage-inspired buttons. Brands are embracing the nostalgic vibes of crochet, driving inspiration from handmade patterns reminiscent of pieces from a grandmother's collection. Crochet shirts can be styled for various occasions, from casual beach outing to less formal weddings, pairing them with basics like high-waisted trousers or simple tank tops works well, allowing the short pieces to stand with patterned blouses crocheted top down in crowds. The pattern includes a photo tutorial for each step, making it beginner friendly. These patterns offer a more intricate designs with relief patterns and motifs suitable for those looking to challenge their skills. Feature shell and V-stitch patterns with a slit down the middle. The designs includes instruction for joining the front and back, the working in the round from the arms with collection this summer. Showcase vibrant crochet pieces ideal for holidays or beach looks. These items combine color and texture, making them a stand out in any wardrobe. Offers a range of budget-friendly crochet blouses, including options with crochet detailing, Swiss dots, and floral, available for under $30, providing comfort and flattering fits. For unique handmade crochet pieces, Etsy it is a great platform to explore. For you can find various crochet shirts and blouses that cater to different style and preference. Pair your crochet piece with natural basic like high waisted trousers or simple tank tops to let the crochet designs stand out. Crochet shirts can be layered over swimsuits for beach